Hello guys, I have a new update of our halt. Please follow me. This is our update. We finally have a new wall right here, already painted. Everything is painted, so it looks quite shiny and new. The next steps will be some little paint jobs in here. For example, the beams will be painted and also the heatings. The next steps are the electricity, which will be under the roof. So the cables are hanging from the roof and not no cables on the floor, which is good for safety. So no obstacles on the floor. And what will also be done in the next couple of weeks will be some water piping on the walls right here and here. So you have some facilities to wash your hands, and we also need some water piping for the laboratory. So some things to do, but we proceed. Yeah, that's about it at the moment, and thank you guys, we'll keep you updated.